So in the past year or so, a lot of the protocols that work with us were, the big protocols. They often have billions in TVL in a month. They manage like billions of dollars flowing through it like in a month. So security is like really important for them, and they really empathize with our overkill approach. So in the past, a lot of protocols we work were really big. They were really successful, billions of dollars effect on the line. But we know that this doesn't work for a lot of other protocols that are more like startups and trying to make a name for themselves. And this is why Cantina is so important, and what we're building with Cantina, which offers more flexibility in the teams. The protocols can pick and choose the researchers that are ideal for the protocol. It could be a smaller team of 2 to 3 people instead of maybe the overkill team, which is 5 people in